Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Clipchamp. Clipchamp is an excellent online video editing and compression tool that has gained significant popularity in recent years, offering a user-friendly interface and wide range of features. Clipchamp makes it easy for both beginners and experienced users to create and enhance videos effortlessly. And the login is very easy because you just need your Microsoft account or your Google account, and it's for free. I think free trial. Yeah, it's free for beginners, so don't have to pay anything up to. You will have all the resolution, and it's watermark free, and you will have the difference is just you will have the free stock and free filters and effects not in premium, and brand kit or logo aren't available, and content backup isn't available. So it's easy. You can get inspired with a template. You can navigate here, all templates. You can create a video with the artificial intelligence, and it's for free. So yeah, you just answer the keywords. It's like ChatGPT, but it gives video. So it's powered by the AI intelligence. You can also install the app on desktop by clicking here or clicking install desktop app. Alright, let's go home. Oh, I went back. So this is the page. You can install it from here, click install desktop app, or from here up. We have the brand kit that aren't available in the free. Logos, fonts, and colors. We have templates to get inspired with. Something like this. So one of the standout features of Clipchamp is its ability to compress video without compromising their quality. This is particularly useful for users who needs to upload videos to platforms with file size limitations such as social media websites. The compression process is efficient and preserves the visual and audio integrity of the video, ensuring that the final output remain impressive. And in terms of editing, the Clipchamp provides a comprehensive set of tools. Users can trim and crop videos, add text overlays, apply filters and effects, and even incorporate transitions to enhance the overall visual appealing. The drag and drop functionality makes the editing process intuitive and straightforward, enabling users to achieve professional looking results without a steep learning curve. So let's start. Let's add something. No, not a folder, I mean create a new video. So drag and drop from your device, import. Let's add from here some pictures. I have some masterpieces like the sun god Nika. We have Madara with Hello Kitty. Something like this. You just drag and drop it here. Here. Let's go. And you can start. You can edit the duration of everything. You can add the music. Let's add some music and hope it doesn't have copyright. Sleep. No, not this one. I mean music here. So yeah, we have Mozart Lacrimosa. You can add it here. So it's a drag and drop, like I said. So yeah, I will cut the sound for now. How? Okay, audio. Volume 0. So yeah, it will be moving with the music. You can move it with the arrows on the keyboard or by the mouse. You grab it and you move it. So Clipchamp also offers a library of royalty-free audio track which can be added to the videos to enhance the impact. Additionally, users have the option to upload their own audios like I did for now, and synchronize them with the visual seamlessly. This audio integration features allow for more personalized touch, enabling users to create engaging video that resonate with their intended audience. And another notable aspect of Clipchamp is its cloud-based nature. At editing and process tasks are performed online, eliminating the need of software installation of high-end hardware. This accessibility allows users to work on their videos from any computer and any device with an internet uh, or any device with an internet connections, making it convenient with and hassle-free. So while Clipchamp free version offers a considerable range of features, there is also a subscription-based plan that unlocks the true potential, additional advanced functionality, and provides access to premium content. This option is well suited for users who require more advanced editing capabilities and seek to elevate their videos projects to the next level. Your file aren't synced to the cloud, you can enable content backup or continue without it. Oh, I was holding this. I hope I don't get banned because of it. I don't think YouTube accepts this anymore. So yeah, overall Clipchamp is reliable and user-friendly video editing and comprehension tool that caters to the broad audience with its intuitive interface, powerful features, and cloud-based convenience. Clipchamp empowers users to create impressive video and captive and engaged viewers. So that's it for today's video. It's a video editing like PixArt or CapCut, but I think it's better from many ways, many point of views. So thanks for watching. Hope you got any help from this video. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and goodbye.